So, ito yung last lesson natin, yung All of Me by John Legend. So, as you all know, you know the family chords already. We have the A minor. So, yan. So, lagi na yan. We have the C, and then G, and then B. So, 4 chords lang yun. Nakasequence siya. Tapos, meron kang A minor sa ibang part. Okay? So, ipiplay ko yung verse, tapos stop ako, sabi ko yung next part. Yung part yung next, at saka kung so, ito yung una, E minor, C, G, and then D. Tapos, every chord, dun sa unang part, yung verse part will be 3 strumming pattern ng pababa. So, ganito lang siya. Example, E minor, C, G, D. So, yan yung unang pattern. Okay? Tapos yung pangalawang pattern, yung refrain, dalawang A minor na dalawang strumming pattern. A minor, A minor, E minor, isang E minor, tapos isang D. And then second time around, E minor, then D. Okay? So, yun yung refrain part. Tapos, pagdating sa chorus part, you have the G, magdo-double-double ka. So, G, 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 another G, then E minor, isa pang E minor, then A minor, then D, D. Okay? So, siya ha. Okay, so, pag buo na siya, buuin natin siya, hindi naman buo, kahit kalahati. So, umpisa niya, tapos kakanta na. Minor C, G, B lang yan. Kasi ito na yung last part. A minor, refrain. Isa pang A minor. A minor ulit for the refrain. A minor. E minor, then B tapos punta sa chorus, G, E minor, A minor, tapos D. After ng chorus, magkakaroon kayo ng post-chorus. Okay. Tapos, after the first part, magre-repeat lang yung verse. Same chords. Refrain, same chords, chorus, same chords, and then magkakaroon kayo ng bridge part. Yung bridge part is pareho lang ng chords ng refrain. So, ganito siya, A minor. E minor. siya sa chorus. Yung bandang mo the last part. Dalawang G minor. A minor ulit. Minor. Post chorus C, G, tapos 4 na beses yung ending nito. Tapos isa pa, E minor ulit. Then last that goes for the ito yung video of all of me. So, sinamarize ko lang and then I will post this. Tapos i-share ko sa inyo. Okay, thank you. Off to second video.